Hello everyone, I Chetna working as assistant professor in RPIT Medical and Technical Campus. Today I will give you a brief introduction about ISO 14000. So what is ISO 14000? ISO 14000 is a series of environmental management standards which are developed and published by the International Organization for Standardization. ISO 14000 standard provide guideline for the organization that need to systemize and improve their environmental management efforts. By ISO 14000, ISO 14000 reduces environmental liability, it enhances public image and reputation, assures customers, satisfy investors, it reduces consumption of material and energy, facilitate permits and authorizations, it reduces the cost and improve industry government relations. To whom do the standards apply? The ISO 14000 standards can be applied to large and small business industries, service sector, government organization, and all type of organizations anywhere in the world. Now, benefits of ISO 14000. So ISO 14000 basically helps organization meet and maintain regulatory and legislative requirements to minimize the environmental impact of product, activities, and resources. It also promotes environmental awareness. For better conformance to environmental regulations, ISO 14000 guidelines are used. For greater marketability, for better use of resources, for higher quality goods and services. It also increased level of safety and improved image and increased profit in business. So what are targets and objective of ISO 14000? To reduce waste generation by recycling, reduce energy consumption by use of alternative lighting, reduce energy consumption by reduction of compressed air leaks, improve chemical management system software, improve management of industrial wastewater, and also improve hazard waste management through solvent recovery. Now what is the difference between ISO 9000 and ISO 14000? So ISO 9000 encourage organization to institute quality assurance management, but ISO 14000 deals with the management of environmental effect of an organization. In ISO 9000, the major system requirements are defined by customer, but in ISO 14000, it is defined by customer as well as many additional stakeholders. ISO 9000 includes evaluation of supplier and review of customer contracts, but ISO 14000 include method of evaluating environmental impact and system. The goal of ISO 9000 is quality system, which is quite clear, but ISO 14000 is straightforward for the environmental system. So basic 6 key elements of ISO 14000 are continual improvement, policy, management review, planning, implementation and operation, and checking and corrective action. Thank you.